Look at those shoes you have on, Olivia. Are they your shoes?
Yeah.
Oh. You want to walk with them?
Shoes on.
Shoes on, I should say so. Do you like those shoes?
Yeah.
Don't you think they're a little big?
No.
Are you doing a tap dance?
Yeah.
Wow.
Daddy.
That's really amazing. Alright, can you say bye-bye?
Bye.